Welcome to JH. Recently, the internet has been flooded with reports from people receiving sketchy messages claiming to be from Scion staffing. Naturally, this has left many folks confused, wondering if they've finally hit the career jackpot or if scammers are just wearing a reputable company's name like a cheap suit. Spoiler alert, it's the latter. While Scion staffing is a legitimate agency, scammers love identity theft as much as they love your credit card info, using real names to make their fake offers sound believable. Because nothing says professionalism like a cold text from a stranger promising you the moon. Take the Olivia Grant message, for example. She claims to offer a flexible remote role where you can work a whopping 60 to 90 minutes a day and earn up to $500 daily. Apparently, in this magical economy, you also get a guaranteed $800 every 4 days and potential monthly earnings of $5,000 plus. I don't know about you, but if I could make $5 grand a month working an hour a day, I'd be recording this from a private island instead of a studio. It's a classic red flag that's so bright it's practically glowing in the dark. The real kicker here is the lack of creativity. People are receiving the exact same script, with the only changes being the phone numbers or email addresses swapped out like bad Tinder profiles. It's a textbook copy-paste scam. Then there's the paid trial period, which is a fancy way of saying they want you to pay them for the privilege of being defrauded. Scammers often demand upfront cash for training, but once you hit send on that payment, they vanish faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. So, to answer the big question, is Scion staffing legit? The actual company is real, but these viral messages are definitely not. They are just bottom feeders misusing a brand name to look convincing. Between the unrealistic pay, the shifting contact info, and the trial payment requests, it's a full house of scam tactics. Please, if you get a message like this, don't reply, don't send money, and for the love of all things holy, don't give them your personal information. If you're genuinely looking to work with Scion staffing, do yourself a favor and only apply through their official website or trusted job boards. Taking career advice from a random text message is usually a one-way ticket to a headache. That's all for today's update. Have you ever been targeted by one of these too-good-to-be-true job offers? Share your experience in the comments to help keep others safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scam awareness. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.